Kevin here, Bent Rod Garage, back again. Finally going to get started on the passenger side floorboard. We're going to start marking that thing out, laying it out, getting it cut out, and getting the new one in. Come along for the ride. So here we are, passenger side floorboard. I got the new one under here, right here, ready to go. So basically what I'm going to do, first step, going to go in here and at the bottom of this curve here, we're going to cut around. I'm going to have to be a little short. I don't want to get into the bracing here underneath. So I'm going to try to stay on this side originally to get that cut out, and then we'll slowly move over to the other side as we get that bracing taken care of. It's spot welded in, so we'll have to address those spot welds and get that material out of there. So I'm going to come in here, just like I said, around the sides, around the edges on that lower part, so that I can get an ability to set this next one in there and really kind of sketch out what I'm going to do to kind of move this thing forward. So first off, clearing out the room. Phase one complete. Now it's just to do some fine tuning and trimming. I do want to take a little more off up here. This opens it up and lets me see kind of what's going on down here. But I do want to open it up some more right here. And then I've got over here where my brace is, so I'm going to try to follow that a little closer. That way I can get close to them spot welds and get them up. And well, it's a good start, so we'll just keep going. Okay, I really need to get these two rubber grommets out, and it's probably about time that I work on getting this bolt out. So let's struggle with that for a little bit. Pretty sure those are just plugs. So, okay, that's out. Now, Pull. That's what it is. That one, no way in the world. This one, yes. Well, I'll be, Derek would say, dipped. She came right out. How about that? Boy. Ah! Okay. Unexpected. Bonk. But that just happened. Look at the head of that. Not even close to being really 6 even sides anymore. Or that washer. But there you go. She came out. Amazing. But I needed that to happen. And I did pre-soak it quite a few times. I didn't ever give it any heat, but yeah, there we go. All right, who's going to argue with that? Results. It's all about the results. Ooh, tore the finger. So, now that that's done, we'll come back in here. See, that needs to come off. This could probably just. It's aluminum. That's out. Okay. Now the thing with that front lip. Oh. Nope. Yeah, front lip goes down. Okay. Front lip goes down. So I've got to cut that out, or I got to cut that lip off. It might end up being the lip. We'll see. So I need to get in here and get that taken care of. But I'm getting closer. Slide it in. Get out of here, bug. So back in storage. Okay. It's a sad state of affairs. Sorry. All right. You know, this is going to take a few days for me to do because I've got limited amount of time to do it. So let me check the time, see if I can get any further. All right. I'm going to keep making noise till the wife tells me to shut up because the kids are asleep. I don't know that they can hear this, but I mean, because it's way over there, the house. It's okay. So, that does come up and over, and that just goes up. So I can cut more here. Ooh, there's another brace. That's what I think it comes to, is that brace actually. So another floor blade brace right in there. That's okay. Okay, quick explanation on some of this, why this rotted down here. There's this drain hose that goes up in here that's supposed to help with water on the outside, inside the window, somewhere up there. Don't know exactly. But this drain hose was supposed to run down through here and out somewhere down there. Okay? So, as you can see, it's in great shape. It had broke early, was dumping on the inside of the car, and voila, water damage. That's what you get. All right. So, before I go too high on that other side, let me see where I need to be here. It's really hard to tell. This is not working with me very well. I'm not going to go much higher than that though. Now, I know I've said this before, might as well say it again. Drilling spot welds uses a particular drill bit. It's flat on the bigger edges, the point in the middle, so that it'll leave a smaller hole in the middle, but drill out that spot weld. brace is free. So it's pretty dirty in there too. Take a look. So here's the brace. You can see all this debris in here. So that's all right. It's now out. It's a little wobbly, but it's free. So I'm going to be having to use this, and I'm going to have to probably jack the body up when I get this other piece set. But I still got to come in. I got to clean up along the seam here and along the seam here before I can set this piece in to get it lined up. But that is good for the night. I'm going to end it here, and then we'll come back and continue the next time I can get in here. So, it's Kevin. There's going to be more to this video. I'm probably doing an ending for no reason, but thanks for tuning in. Bimrock Garage.